Brad Williams, Excel primed here. This one seemingly looks like a snap, but a huge error can occur if you take something very obvious for granted. We just want hours of time times billing rate and then our total due. Well, let's take a look here. 48 times 2. You're saying, Brad, so what? That's just obvious. Who cares? Well, let me show you what happens here when you're in a hurry. Don't look at the total due. Don't look at the formula. All right, you're going to go equals B, C5 times hours. And all of a sudden, you're going to get this format. You're going to go, well, that's just a simple $2. Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? You're in a hurry, so you just copy down, control down. And you're going, what happened? And you just didn't bother to look at the format. There's a couple clues. You're in a time format. Multiplying time by billing rate is a route to disaster. Why? Because this is 2 of 24, or 0.005. You take 0.05 times 24, and you're going to get $2. $48 is due. Don't make this mistake. B5 times 24. If you're dealing with time and it's hours or whatever format it is, multiply time. If it's hours and minutes, multiply times 24 times your billing rate. Otherwise, you'll be looking for a new job. If you are curious as to what I just mentioned, read over here. You have numbers greater than 24. What are you going to do? Here, we just took the 24. Here, we just noted 24 hours. Just a side note here. If you want to get rid of this, the AM, PM kind of deal, you can format. You can just go up and you see right here, you can just change this format. In some cases, if you run into an area where you're running over 24 hours, you may need to put the brackets around H in order to accumulate total hours. Here, they're fixed, but you may have additional columns tied to this. You need to keep a running total, then use this format. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.